is here is the table set for next Sunday. I'm doing this on Sunday afternoon. So the table has been set. So I will kind of enact that, but I'm not going to move everything around and change it too much from what they've got here. The elements would typically be over here on this other table, and the bread already in the cloth that's name I just forgot, the corporal. The bread's already in there, and it's a pita. And then typically the wine here is already poured outside, like in the sacristy. But you can imagine that I've got the pitcher, which has a fancy name that I'll have to look up in a minute. You can imagine that I'm going to pretend to pour that. So we're working with what's here. In this congregation, the assisting minister would be using this standing microphone, and the presiding minister has a lapel or a lavalier. So you'll see that too. I also have, I'm going to show myself, here around me, I've got this cincture rope that I'm going to pretend is a stole. So I'm going to try to show what role I'm in by putting on and taking off the pretend stole, okay? All right, I've chosen to set up with iPad. I'll warn you, my vision is terrible. So that's a thing, like I will have to learn for myself, how do I best accommodate my vision with the presider's guide and different things that I'm going to use in a parish. For today, I'm using the guide provided by you, and I'm using an iPad, which I have stood up, and I've done it sideways so that I can enlarge the text as much as I can.